In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pandadoc Workspaces to organize multiple teams efficiently. Before we dive in, let's set the stage. Whether you're managing just a few teams or multiple departments, proper organization is essential for increasing productivity and ensuring clear communication. With Pandadoc Workspaces, you can streamline your document processes across various groups, making your workflow a breeze. Let's begin by heading over to Pandadoc's website. The home of fast-tracked document management, Pandadoc helps you create, approve, track, and e-sign documents 40% faster than traditional methods. Open your preferred browser and navigate to their website. Once there, you'll want to locate the Login option, which is typically at the top right corner of the page, or possibly under a menu button, depending on your screen size. Click on this option to input your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can hit the Sign Up button on the same page to create one. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Pandadoc home. Upon reaching the Pandadoc home, you'll find a spectrum of options and features. This is your primary dashboard where you can access various functionalities of Pandadoc. Here, we are primarily interested in setting up and managing workspaces for our teams. Now, direct your attention to the Settings section. This section is the heart of configuration where you can control numerous aspects of your account. Click on Settings. This will navigate you to a page where you'll see various options related to your account preferences, security settings, and of course, workspace management. Now that you're in the Settings section, locate and click on Current Workspace. This part is crucial as it displays the current active workspace you're managing. Workspaces in Pandadoc are designed to help you efficiently organize your documents by teams or departments, each with its own settings, users, and permissions. After selecting your current workspace, it's time to set up a workspace or modify the one you're currently managing. Click on Set Up Workspace. You have a few things to consider during this phase. First, ensure that the workspace name logically reflects the team or department it represents. This small step helps in maintaining clarity and ease of access for everyone involved. You can start defining permissions and roles for your team members. Decide who needs editing rights, viewing access, or maybe just approval abilities. This is vital as it determines who can do what within the workspace, ultimately maintaining document integrity and security. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully navigated the process of using Pandadoc Workspaces. Remember, a well-structured workspace enhances collaboration, reduces confusion, and saves you precious time. Play around with the different settings, keep your team organized, and enjoy the seamless document management experience that Pandadoc provides. Thanks for watching today's walkthrough, and happy organizing!